Today we're using prepared ingredients like frozen meatballs and refrigerated dough to make these cheesy meatball pockets.
Hey, I'm Chef Noah here in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Let's get started.
All right, we got our refrigerated biscuit dough. We're gonna roll these out. If you wanna use the heel of your hand, you can do that. I like a little rolling pin. We're just gonna lightly flour these. They come out a little bit sticky. They usually roll out pretty well. And we're gonna go about 5 inches on these, just enough so we can make a nice pocket. That's about what we're looking for there. Flatten that out. I'm gonna do about 4 of these just to make it easier. Don't have to be perfect, right? Just trying to get a nice round piece so we can make a nice pocket. You could use the pizza dough that they sell in the store that's pre-rolled. You might just have to cut it to the size you like. It works great. You could use the frozen biscuit dough. You just need to thaw it out in the fridge. All right, we got 4 of these ready to rock. We're gonna lay these out, we're gonna fill them, and then we'll batch the next 4. I took a bag of those frozen meatballs, thawed them out, we sliced them up, and that's just to help fit these in the biscuits so they're not too big and round, just easier to work with. So it'll be about 3 meatballs sliced inside. We have some just jarred marinara, just pick your favorite. If you like to make your own house gravy, go ahead and do that. We have a little just diced tomato for a little extra texture. And then we have just an Italian blend cheese. If you want to do straight mozzarella, provolone, Parmesan mix, that's fine too. I'm gonna just hit them with a little bit of egg wash to help seal these up. And I got a little fork over here. I'm just gonna do a nice fold over. Don't worry, they're gonna get a little messy. If there's a little flour on your board, that's okay. And now we're just gonna crimp with a fork. If you wanna pinch with your fingers, that's great. You dip it in a little flour so it doesn't stick to your dough. Just like that. Don't have to be perfect. Kids can join in with you when you're making these. Kind of fun for the whole family. We're gonna keep going. Just gonna do them all. We'll get them on our sheet pan over here. I got about 2 pounds of meatballs here. That'll do about 16 of these in case you got a bunch of kids coming over. You wanna do them for a party, they work well. Throw them in the school lunch boxes. All right, we got our last one all sealed up. We're gonna kind of just tidy up our area. It will save you a lot of headache down the road. All right, we got our pockets all panned up. We're just gonna cut nice, about 3 slits in the top. And that just helps some of that air escape so they don't either break or bubble up on you. Just a couple nice slits, don't make it, doesn't have to be perfect. Now I got our egg wash. We're just gonna hit these just so that gives them a little nice shine in the oven. All right, got just a little bit of glaze on there. And then I just made some like Italian seasoning. It's got some garlic, red pepper, and we got some fresh parsley in there just for some color. And then we're just gonna pop these in our oven. That's 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. All right, look how those turned out. Just gonna platter these up. We got just some marinara, that's the leftover that we had from building them. We got some Alfredo there too if you like white sauce. Platter these up for the kids. My favorite part, I get to taste one. Look at that beauty. You know I like a dip, so we're gonna dip that in some sauce. Easy, fun to make at home. Kids will love them, and you can take them to school with them. There you have it, our cheesy meatball pockets. When you try this at home, make sure you leave us a comment, tell us what you thought. And for more beefy recipes, go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.